Imagine a world where you can harness the power of AI to boost your income and streamline your creative processes. Today, let's dive into some incredible tools that can transform your approach to work and creativity. First up is ChatGPT. This AI language model is like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Whether you need help drafting emails, generating content ideas, or even writing scripts, ChatGPT can assist you in crafting compelling narratives. It understands context, can mimic different writing styles, and can even help you refine your ideas. The best part? It's constantly learning, so the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your unique voice. Next, let's talk about Canva. This graphic design platform has revolutionized how we create visuals. With its user-friendly interface, you can design anything from social media posts to presentations without needing a degree in graphic design. The extensive library of templates and elements allows you to produce professional-looking graphics in minutes. Plus, you can collaborate with team members in real time, making it an excellent tool for businesses and freelancers alike. Now, let's shift gears to 11 Labs. This platform specializes in voice synthesis, allowing you to create realistic voiceovers for your videos or presentations. Imagine being able to generate a professional-sounding narration without hiring a voice actor. With 11 Labs, you can choose different voice styles, adjust the tone, and even customize the pacing. This is a game-changer for content creators looking to save time and resources while still delivering high-quality audio. Speaking of saving time, let's not forget about faceless gig platforms. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork have made it easier than ever to find freelancers who can handle various tasks for you. Whether you need a graphic designer, a video editor, or a social media manager, these platforms connect you with talented individuals ready to help. This means you can focus on what you do best while delegating the rest. It's about working smarter, not harder. Combining these tools can lead to incredible results. For instance, you could use ChatGPT to draft a script for a video, then create stunning visuals in Canva to accompany it. After that, you can use 11 Labs to add a professional voiceover, and finally, if you need any additional help, hire a freelancer from a gig platform to polish everything up. This workflow not only enhances your productivity, but also elevates the quality of your output. In a world where time is money, leveraging these technologies can give you a significant edge. Embracing AI and digital tools isn't just about keeping up. It's about setting yourself apart in a competitive landscape. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, integrating these resources into your routine can lead to remarkable growth and success. The future of work is here, and it's all about using the right tools to unlock your full potential.